Thank you for calling Pittsburgh Personal Injury Attorneys. I'm Caitlin, your voice AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Hey, Caitlin. My name is Brian, and I was in an accident on, like, it was a couple days ago, so it would have been like June 11th. And it's already been turned into the insurance companies, and everything's being taken care of. But somebody gave me your information and said that you do free consultations. I don't know if I need a lawyer, but I thought maybe if I tell you some details about the accident, you'd be able to let me know if I should schedule a consultation.
I'm really sorry to hear about your accident, Brian. I'm glad you're reaching out for guidance. Why don't you tell me a bit more about what happened and any injuries you might have? That way, I can help determine if scheduling a consultation would be beneficial for you.
Yeah, sure. Like I said, it was a couple days ago. I was stopped at a red light on Fifth Avenue in McKeesport, and this woman in a Ford Taurus rear-ended the back of my vehicle. Um,
Ouch, that's a
yeah, I drive a Toyota Camry. The police came and gave her a ticket. My car got towed. I thought that it was just going to be like a fender bender type situation, but the auto body shop just told me that my vehicle is totaled. So the insurance company is aware of that. So yeah, it's kind of a messy situation, and on top of that, I got some medical issues too.
I'm really sorry to hear about the damage and your medical issues, Brian. It sounds like a tough situation. Have you received any medical attention for your injuries?
I didn't. I failed to go to the emergency room the day of the accident because I wasn't really feeling anything. I had a stiff neck the next morning and a headache throughout the day, so I went to an urgent care after work, and they gave me a prescription for the pain. They did some X-rays. Um, there's some neck and back damage that I'm gonna have to follow up with additional medical services for. And it also looks like I'm going to be out of work because the migraines have been kind of bad, like the past 36 hours, and I teach, so I'm not able to uh, stand for long periods of time or like turn my head, and like the headaches are pretty bad.
I'm really sorry to hear about your injuries and the impact on your work, Brian. It sounds like you might benefit from speaking with an attorney to explore your options for compensation, especially given the medical issues and work situation. Would you like me to schedule a free consultation with one of our attorneys?
Yeah, does it matter if I'm far along with the insurance already? Like they just sent me like documents to sign. Like should I sign those? Because I might not be able to speak to an attorney until next week.
It's really important not to sign any documents from the insurance company before speaking with an attorney. They can help ensure you're getting a fair deal and that all your rights are protected. Let's get you scheduled for a consultation as soon as possible. Would you prefer an in-person meeting or a phone call?
Let's do a phone call. Do they do video consultations or is it just over the phone?
We can definitely arrange a video consultation if that's more convenient for you. Let's get that set up. Could you please provide your full name, phone number, and email address?
Sure. My name is Brian. That's Brian. And my last name is Schrader. That's S as in Sam, Chroe, D as in David, ER. My email address is B as in Brian, Schroeder at gmail.com. And you can reach me at 412 555 5555. Can you just repeat that back to me? Because a lot of people screw up the spelling of my last name because it's said different than it's spelled.
Of course, Brian. So your last name is Schroeder, spelled Schroeder. Your email is bschroeder@gmail.com. And your phone number is 412-555-5555. Does that sound right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Great. I'll get you scheduled for a video consultation. You'll receive a confirmation soon with all the details.
Will they
Is there
have,
anything else you'd like to discuss?
yeah, do they have availability? Because next Monday, I have some afternoon availability. I got doctor's appointments these next couple days. Do they have availability Monday between 2 and 4?
I'll make sure to find a slot for you between 2 and 4 on Monday. You'll get a confirmation with the exact time shortly. If anything changes, just let us know. Take care of yourself, Brian.
What should I bring? What should I have on hand for that appointment?
For your consultation, it's helpful to have any documents related to the accident. This includes medical records, bills, the police report, photos of the scene or your injuries, and any correspondence with insurance companies. If you have witness contact information or other relevant details, those would be great too. Anything else on your mind?
Yeah, there was a witness, but I only have their email address. Is that okay?
Absolutely. Having the witness's email address is helpful. You can share that during your consultation. Anything else you need help with?
Do I need anything when it comes to like the missed work? Like, do I need like any paperwork for that or?
Yes, it's a good idea to have any documentation related to your missed work. This could include doctor's notes recommending time off, any communication with your employer about your absence, and pay stubs or records showing lost wages. These can help in assessing the impact on your income. Anything else you're curious about?
Um, I think we're good. You said that I should submit like any photos from the accident and the damage to the vehicle to you as well, correct?
Yes, having photos of the accident scene and the damage to your vehicle can be really helpful. You can share those during your consultation. If anything else comes up, feel free to reach out. Take care.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. I'll just look. Will you send me a text or an email for the appointment confirmation?
Yes, you'll receive a confirmation via email with all the details for your appointment. If you have any other questions, just let us know. Take care, Brian.
All right, you take care as well. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll look for that appointment confirmation.
You're welcome, Brian. I'm glad I could help. Keep an eye out for that confirmation, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything else. Goodbye, and take care.
All right, thank you.